The Ohio Department of Job and Family Services is happy to introduce the JFS-Ohio Benefits Provider Portal tutorials video series. This series consists of 6 video chapters. This video is Chapter 2, Linking Your Account to a Provider. This video will cover how to link your account to an existing or new provider. An account must be linked to a provider to gain access to the County Chat Center, referrals, and entering participants' attendance. These features are covered in video chapters 3 through 6. Once you have created your account, you can now link that account to a provider. Log into the JFS-Ohio Benefits Provider Portal, then hover the cursor over the Manage Provider Details, and Link to Provider will display. Click Link to Provider. Next, the Search Provider Tax ID will display. Enter the provider tax ID of the provider you want to link your account to and click Search. Please note that a field with a red asterisk is required, so provider tax ID must be entered. If you click Search without an ID entered, you will receive an error message. If you enter a provider tax ID and they are known to the portal, the Provider Found results display. Select the appropriate provider and click Submit. A confirmation message will display advising your request has been submitted to your local County Department of Job and Family Services. You should record the request ID from the confirmation message for future reference. Click Exit to return to the home page. If you input the provider tax ID and there is no result returned, the provider is not known to the portal and must be added as a new provider. When the provider tax ID is entered on the previous screen and no existing ID is found, the new provider details will display and a new provider can be added. Note that the provider tax ID that was used to search for the provider will be pre-populated in the tax ID field of the new provider details. Complete the new provider details and click Save and Continue. On the second page of New Provider Details, you will enter address details for the provider. There are 4 address types that you can enter: physical, mailing, 1099 mailing, and 1099 billing address. Of these 4, the mailing address is the only one that is required. Click Save and Continue. Next, the Select Address displays. Choose either the suggested mailing address or keep the address as you entered, then click Save and Continue. You will be taken to the Verify New Provider Details page to verify the information provided. If you see incorrect information, click the back button to resolve. Once validated, click Submit. After you click Submit, a message confirmation displays confirming that the request is currently under review. On this page, you will see the note indicates that 2 requests are currently being reviewed: a new user access request and a new provider activation request. The new user access request is for the administrative account, and the new provider activation is to create a new provider account. It should be noted that a new provider account can never be created if an administrative account has not yet been created. A request ID is provided on the page for you to track your request. Click Exit to be navigated back to the home page. Back on the home page, the Access Provider Details displays. This is advising you that your request is currently in progress. Once your County Department of Job and Family Services approves your request, you may begin using the JFS-Ohio Benefits Provider Portal.